Good morning. I don't know if I've ever explained myself. Wander around willy-nilly back here. Don't tell anybody my goals. Oh, I just kind of taking a walk. Explaining what I intend to do with this channel. It's quiet out here today. It's nice. I'd like to make a pathway somewhere here where the old fire road is. So we can make it so anybody can walk through here without tangling themselves. Things like burdocks and sticks. Nice piece of birch bark. At this point, I know my way around back here. Some people might not. It's all messy and overgrown. As much as it's great to get camera pictures and such things, it's also great to see the transformation of this land when it becomes more cleaned up. There's tons and tons of dead, which is fine. It creates an ecosystem and biodiverse to the area. Skipped a lot of the summer. It was a wild summer. A lot of stuff to do. Not much time to go for a walk in the woods. I should. Oh, probably 45 degrees Fahrenheit out here. Fall is definitely upon us. I'm wearing my heated vest because we live in practically Canada and we need to do that. I just want to not put 15 layers on in October. Gonna find the game camera, as always. I'll just shake it. See if I can find anything. Probably a lot of worms still from that time where all the tent caterpillars were everywhere. Let's see the previous video called Wormageddon. You'll see how much we had going on. Worms. Nice little mossy tree here. See, the weather has deteriorated my camera's solar panel a little bit. Camera's starting to fade some. It's been a couple of years now. Let's see if I can do this little clean up. Shouldn't affect it. All right. Alright. SD card removed. A couple little spiders living in there. Clean that up a little bit. Didn't kill the spiders, just moved them away. Like I just said earlier, the goal. I'd love to get the 50s and 60s, even the 70s. They didn't care much sometimes. Old school didn't care. They just threw stuff out in the woods. Expected it to go away. I would like to get, especially the path going out to here at least, so I can hook up a little cart. Take it and clean up all this junk. Motor oil, even. I'm sure it was empty, but still. Yeah, looks like a can of tab. Yeah. Can of tab. Remember tab? I don't know, pull tabs from the tap. Local soda. Not local. Soda that's been around for a while. It's kind of dangerous to walk around here because it is all glass and metal. Things that could cause some damage. I do have a tetanus shot. Let me see if I get myself right. Curious as to what this is over here. Looks like it's a can that has moss on it. Isn't that funny? Like another little fairy home. A little something over by the woods. I mean, ideally everything would look like that, but it doesn't. It just looks trashy, gross. It's not very clean. So that's part of my goal. Make it so the whole back acreage can just be kind of walked around comfortably. Just where the spring stream was. Oh, the stream is where the pathway here. See that car up ahead there? That's gotta go. In early summer I tried to take the wood off the top of it and that's not working. Climb up on there, push that around, can't do anything. So I gotta take that down. Might have a video of that someday. Essentially the video of that is somebody haul it out. Tree off at first. I cut the way into it because it's full of, debris like here. I have to come in from the back end to get that out of there. Just such a pretty place. I'll make it prettier. I want to invite you to come along on a journey. Place where it's full of this place to explore. It's always a little something new, something to see. Yeah, that's gotta go. A lot more clear out here. There's a fire out back here. It was, I don't know how to explain it. Cedar bush. Turn into a mighty cedar tree someday. Ooh, sun's shining bright. It's nice and warm. It's hunting season, bird hunting season. Pretty sure it's deer hunting season too. I'm on my own land and I have posted signs. Shouldn't be anybody things. Get the sticks down. Yeah, reach it. As you can see from previous videos, there are animals that come through right past the game camera most of the time when there's not quite so much debris. Bendy tree. I hope that bendy tree always stays there. You can see it's mighty windy, just in spurts today. All these trees. Hopefully the ones that have blown down are going to be the ones that are going to blow down. That's kind of dangerous. So yeah, essentially I just want to make this better. I want to show you the journey, show you the transformation. I do like to bring you on quiet walks. It's nice to see things in your own mind. Pay attention to the little things the camera might notice, but might not in the beginning times. This tree, for example, looks like something's crossed it several times. It's all scarred up. You never know why. It does cross a path. Small chainsaw. Get rid of some of it. Some of it can be cut up and burned in a mini wood stove. But that's a lot of work. Don't believe anybody when they say that's not a lot of work, even cutting up for a little wood stove. Cut up about 10 sticks that lasted about 3 days of just taking the chill off the house. That was a lot of work. Off-grid is not an easy task. I want to go as close to off-grid as possible, but I don't know. I think unless you're desperate, take a little bit of the grid unless you're in the middle of nowhere. I'm just kind of wandering around aimlessly at the moment because it's a lot easier to see some of the things that I might not have shown before. Maybe of fallen stags. Gotta put everything together a little bit. Some things I notice more often than not. Not often at all. Sometimes it gets me wondering if I even notice anything at all in here when something new happens. Like I said before, sometimes it's easy to get lost, even if it's your own backyard. You know, if you come out straight in any direction, it's going to be somewhere you won't get lost. It shows how easy it could be to get lost. So yeah. Talking video. I figured I'd film a little bit of the history of what I'm doing. So this way I sat in the summertime at the Summit Arch and watched the world go by for an hour. When I take a nap in the woods and nice sunshine in the summertime and the breeze. Check out my other videos. You'll find one. It's just a nice place to be out in nature. Calm. Imagine. I know some people may be not lucky enough to find a place like this, so I want to give you some lucky. I'll give you a place where you hang out. Up to the Willy Wax of nearly Canada. Take some nice walks. There's the bottle tree. They have all the bottles on the trees. So it's fallen off. Unfortunately, tires are expensive to dispose of. The goal is as well to get those over here. Yeah, not here. Oh, that time. Pretty close, huh? Yeah. I'd like to get rid of those too. All this junk out here. The phone's ringing. There's nobody. When the rifle range is not going, it's incredibly quiet. That's the best part. Just come up here. Keep that classic. I don't know if I want to move that. Pan. 70s. Garbage, essentially. Thank you for coming on this walk with me. I hope you come on more. Continue to follow the progress of this awesome place. And I'll see you on the way back to put the chip back in after we discover what might be on that camera. Back to brave the inevitable burdocks. Just going to put the... Still looking through pictures. Just going to put the chip back in the game camera this evening. It's got really dark. I thought it was going to rain. But alas, it is snowing. Yep. Snowing. House got really cold. Yard got really cold. So, I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to put that chip back in the game camera. I don't think we missed much. Got a lot of worms. I'll put it all in there. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Have a great day, good week. Have a peaceful, happy, best ever time.